Okay. Good day. I am from Global Ace agency here in Malaysia, and I am the Philippine recruiter. Can you speak English or can you understand English?
I can speak English, ma'am.
Are you a 100% willing to come here in Malaysia without any hesitation?
Yes, I am willing.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
Oh, ma'am.
Noah, so our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
I agree.
Why do you want to come here in Malaysia? Why you didn't choose to go back in Singapore to work?
Because I want to experience also to work in Malaysia, ma'am.
Okay, can you help me introduce yourself, please?
Good day. Good day to all. My name is Leslie Perez. I am 39 years old. Um, I um, I live in Calino, Barangay Nangan, Santa Barbara, Iloilo, and I have two kids, boy and girl.
Okay, so I need to know some few more details from you, Lizelle. Are you single or married?
I am single. I have single mother,
You
single
are a
parent.
single mother. You don't have live-in partner. No. So when is your birthday?
My birthday is May 2, 1984.
What is your height and your weight?
Height is 5'2", and my weight is 62.
What is your religion?
Roman Catholic, ma'am.
What about your educational background?
Full liver.
High school level. So you mentioned that you have two children who are going to take care of your children once you come to work here in Malaysia.
Star, ma'am.
How old is your sister and what is her occupation?
There is take care my children. Then she's in the housewife only, ma'am. She's 42
Okay.
years.
Okay, so your family allow you to come and work here in Malaysia, correct? Okay, so in your biodata, it was stated that you have a working experience in Singapore way back 2017 to 2024 for one employer only, correct?
Correct.
Okay, can you share it with me? What are your responsibilities to your previous employment here in Singapore?
My previous experience there is although work all around, ma'am. Take care
Okay.
of the children, also marketing, bring the children to go to school and fix the school. And every weekend, I bring them to the weekdays. I bring the activity from the swimming, like that.
Okay, do you do
I
cooking, laundry, and ironing?
I do all around.
Okay, so how old is the children that you take care?
The girl, they have two children. The girl is 8 years old, and the boy is 12 years old.
8 and 12 years old. Okay, so, uh, Lizelle, you already know that being a domestic helper, you need to be flexible, you need to be multitasking, right? So, are
Yes,
you prepared for any task that the employer will be given to you?
I am ready and I prepare.
Okay, because there is no such a thing that when you are working as a domestic helper, you will just focus on doing house chores only, correct? You need also
Ma'am.
to take care children, elderly, if they have elderly or children inside their house. So are you okay to take your children while doing house chores at the same time?
Yeah, I am ready.
Can you take care baby? Can you take care baby?
I love to take
Okay, can you take care elderly people?
elderly. Yes,
Okay. Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
I have patient. I am willing to be patient.
Okay, can you cook?
Yes,
Okay, are you comfortable taking care of pets? Are you comfortable taking care of pets?
ma'am.
Okay. So, you have a 2 years contract and you need to finish that. Otherwise, you need to compensate your employer and at the same time the agency. Nobody forced you to come and work here in Malaysia, and you are the one who decided to come and work here due to the poverty of our Philippines, and you need to sustain your family's needs, correct? Yeah,
Correct,
because you
ma'am.
know that, Lizelle, you already know that working abroad is not that so easy. We need to be stronger. We don't want that we don't like that we are weak. Because if we feel weak, then uh, we cannot finish our contract, right? And then there is also some homesickness. You might feel that you were going to think that why should I come working in abroad? In Philippines, you are boss, but working abroad is we need to adjust ourselves, correct?
Correct.
All you need to do is just to have if you are really hardworking, if you are a hardworking person, you need also to have a good manners, right? So we need to
Yes,
respect the rules and regulations of our employer because we are working inside their premises. Okay?
yes, ma'am. Yes.
In using of mobile handphone also, you cannot hold your phone for the whole day because you are working.
Yeah, I
So you
understand.
can hold your phone only during nighttime, like 2 to 3 hours, to contact your family back in the Philippines. After that, you will render your phone to your employer. Do you agree?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, on your rest day also, you're entitled to have a once a week rest day. But if you will work on your rest day, employer will going to compensate. But if you will rest on your rest day, of course, you need also to stay inside the employer's house. As I have told you, every employer got different rules and regulations. If employer allow you to go out, please don't abuse it. But if employer allow you only to rest inside the house, then we stick to it. We need to adhere regarding about the job scope because this is really the important one. Because if you didn't sign the JO, then definitely you will not come here in Malaysia, correct?
Correct.
Okay,
Yes.
so how are you gonna fight your homesickness every time it strikes you?
Um, I will focus and I will think my children no money if I need if I homesick. So I need to focus my work.
Okay, so I think that's all for now, Lizelle. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay connected through WhatsApp because agents here in Malaysia will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer, okay?
Okay, thank
Thank
you.
you. Have a good day.